Hi, my name is Jessie Shuringa, student number 21201370, and today we're going to be talking about the fun teaching practice activity where we'll be designing and playing a game for the foundational phase, which is centered around math, of course. Okay, so for this game, I focused it on grade 2s, but you can focus this game on any of the foundational phase and make it harder or easier depending on which grade. So the term I'm focusing on is going to be term 3, and we're going to be focusing on data handling. That's the content area, and the topic, of course, will be bucket toss, or in this case, crate toss, because we don't have buckets, we have crates, and the values and the skills that the children will learn. So I think that the skills children will learn from this game is that how to represent data into a pictograph and how to interpret that into a conclusion of how many children got more or how many children got less points in the game that we're going to be playing. And this, of course, is based on the CAPS documents. Okay, so for this game, what you'll need is 2 different colored crates that I'm going to be using, or you can use buckets, and you will need either balls, bean bags, or ping pong balls. So I'm going to be using ping pong balls. Okay, so for this game, we will be setting up 2 buckets, and then we really step a few steps back where we allow the children to have enough space and enough space to throw the balls in, but it mustn't be too close where the children will get it in easy. We want to make it a bit hard because we want the game to be more difficult and more fun that way. Okay, so we'll step a bit back and then allow the children to throw. So what you can do, what I'm going to do for my game, is that each child, so it's going to be 2 players playing this game, and each player will have 10 or 20 tosses. You can decide, but I'm going to make it 10 tosses just for the length of this video. So the children will have 10 opportunities to throw a ball and try to get it into either one of the crates, the blue or the green. Well, in this case, the brown and the beige crates. And if a child misses, that means no point had been scored. Okay, so they will each take turns going player 1, player 2, player 1, player 2, trying to throw the balls into the crates. And once that has been done and they have used all 10 chances, they will each get a chart or a blank piece of paper where they will draw a bar graph or a pictogram. So if they're in grade 1, you can make a pictogram where they can be drawing the different balls, or in grade 3, they can be drawing bar graphs. But in grade 2, we're going to keep it pictograms. So they will draw the pictograms. How many balls went into the brown crates and how many balls went into the beige crates. So if you're using buckets, how many went into the red bucket, how many went into the blue bucket. So they can put a pictogram, brown crates, beige crates, and then they can even have a total to see how many balls got in both crates. Of course, whoever got the most tosses and most points, they will be the winner of the game. So this game can be played indoor or outdoor, but because today is a nice sunny day in Victoria, we're going to be playing it outdoors. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to play the game, and I will be adding pictures to show you the different materials that I used for this game. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's play the game. So as you can see, I set up my 2 crates. So this will be the beige crates. This will be the brown crates. And as you can see over there, it's a line to show the children how far they can come. And then over there are the balls which we're going to be throwing in. So as I'm playing by myself, these are the ping pong balls. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be standing right here. And then as player 1, I will have the opportunity to throw 1 into the crate. Okay, so that's 1 point gone. So as player 2, I will have another opportunity to throw 1 in. Okay, there you go, perfect. And then I will have player 1, player 2, 1, player 2, player 1, there you go, player 2, player 1, oh, what's going on, player 2, player 1, player 2, player 1, oh my gosh, and last one for player 2. So after the kids have played the game, they will come to the crates and they will count how many balls they got in the crates. So as you can see, for player 1, they only had 2, and then for player 2, they had 3 balls. So what will happen now, the children will get a A4 piece of paper where they will draw their tally graphs or their data graphs and do data collection. So once the children have finished the game, they will get a plain piece of paper where they can draw a fun pictograph. So as you can see here, player 2, the bucket toss, and how many 3 points that player 2 had gotten. So that will be the end of the game. So whoever gets the most will win the game.